it is my pleasure to welcome you to St. Thomas University for the inauguration of our 10th President, David A. Armstrong.
But I am surely excited today because we inaugurate a new leader, David A. Armstrong, who I know will build for the future an even stronger and greater university. Dave's energy and vision will lead St. Thomas to become a most significant presence, not only in the southeast of the United States, but in our whole region and our country.
Today, David A. Armstrong will be formally installed as the 10th president of South Florida's most treasured educational facility, St. Thomas University, most treasured. Do you agree with that?
This is a great day. It's a great day because today we formally install an extraordinary man. He's a person who's willing to reach beyond the boundaries of this campus, into these neighborhoods, into these businesses, into the heart of this community and say, so go you, so go I. That we grow together, we move forward together, that your greatness is our greatness. That is a community.
President Armstrong, you have proven yourself to be an outstanding and dedicated leader to this institution already. And I am so incredibly excited for you to see how St. Thomas grows and prospers under your leadership.
I firmly believe that President Armstrong's authentic, loving but truthful, daring and dare I even say atavistic Catholicism is what set me out on the path toward the church. But there is no doubt in my mind that my becoming Catholic at all is in no small part due to the witness, the prayers, the audacity of this good man, Dr. David Armstrong.
Dave is all about the student and the student experiences. With the student as the focus, he wraps that with faculty, staff, fellow students, alumni, friends of the community, and everybody in general for the overall experience. It makes a powerful and successful combination. I saw it happen at Notre Dame College, and I can feel it happening here at St. Thomas University.
I can think of no one more committed, no one more determined, no one more passionate, and no one tougher. His mission is to propel St. Thomas forward. And so I wish you congratulations, President Armstrong, Leslie and his family. Best wishes to all of you, and of course, prayers for the journey ahead. But most of all, go Bobcats.
In my many conversations with President Armstrong over these past 8 months, I can summarize all of them this way. He is taking St. Thomas University to the streets. President Armstrong is taking the private out of private education at St. Thomas University, or at least seriously redefining that word. President Armstrong, be assured of the support and prayers of the faculty of St. Thomas University as we move forward in building a future together.
From the very beginning, I've experienced President Armstrong to be a man with a dream and a vision for St. Thomas University. He really wants to be involved in the average STU student's life, and that means a ton.
There is not a job on campus that President Armstrong has not done. He knows how to run a university and how a university needs to run. But as said earlier, most important, he believes in the power of education to build leaders for life who will enhance our local and global communities. May God bless our new president, David A. Armstrong.
By accepting the President's Medallion, you accept the charge to serve with diligence, with dedication, with energy, vision, and integrity as you carry out the duties of President of St. Thomas University. All these people here and beyond are counting on you, but they're also pulling for you and for your success.
I want to thank all of you. My heart is very full today. I especially want to thank our Archbishop
He is a wonderful shepherd for our flock here in the Archdiocese. We are mission-centric. St. Thomas is a Catholic university with rich cultural and international diversity, committed to the academic and professional success of its students who go on to become ethical leaders in the global community. Our people live that mission every single day. We are about faith formation and producing leaders for life. But we can't just say it, we must do it. We must have quality programs that lead to student success. The ultimate goal is that we are tied to Miami and South Florida. It is about where we are. Miami is a great American city. I believe it's the future city of America. In the future, we will strive to become that great Catholic university for this great American city and this region. At St. Thomas University, we will think and we will dream big, and we will be bold. God bless all of you. Mucho gracias. I appreciate so much that you've done for me here. God bless you. Thank you. Go Bobcats!
Congratulations, David. We're so proud of you.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Uncle David.
Congratulations.
Very proud of you. Very excited to be down here to celebrate this day with you, and very happy to be here.
It's a beautiful campus.
Congratulations, Dave. We're so proud of you. Love you.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Uncle Dave.
Congratulations, Dave, on your big day here. The university is going to get even better with you on board.
The campus looks beautiful. Go Bobcats.
President Armstrong, we're so glad to be here and celebrating your success.
And your father would be so proud. He's looking down on us and on you. And congratulations, David, Leslie, and Johanna and David. I love you all. And go Bobcats.